Hey, hello, what's up, people? Welcome back to another vlog. Before I tell you what I'm doing in this video, I want you all guys to do me a small help. Please go down below and click on the subscribe button. As you see, I'm getting decent amount of views, but I'm not getting any subscribers. So if you guys subscribe to me, I'll have the motivation to get you better riding content, travel content. A lot of things are planned up for this year. So right now, I'm riding to Bangalore for my Sankranti holidays. It feels really good to ride back home on the festive season. You know, homely vibes, spending time with your family. So, stay tuned for this video. As you know, I'll have to cross the city. I just started off from my workplace. So, I'll catch up with you once we're on the highway and I have some interesting content for you to shoot. So, yeah, we have started the ride basically. We have reached the ORR service road. As you know, two-wheelers are not allowed on the ORR, which I still cry about. Why don't they allow two-wheelers on the ORR? So right now we'll have to take the service road and reach the NH44. That is the Bangalore to Hyderabad highway, which is also the Kashmir to Kanyakumari highway. So we gotta drive on that. And this is probably my, I think, seventh time riding to Bangalore. And I only posted a video of me riding to Bangalore once on my old setup when I used to record with my phone on a chest mount. I feel that now I have a slightly better setup. I've got a lot of remarks from others regarding my audio in the video, which I'll have to still sort it out, invest in a better mic. But that is going to take some time. Till then, I just have to figure out a way around and working with this setup that I have. The camera setup, I think the camera is doing good now. I think you guys are having a good scene rather than off angles. You get to see a good chunk of everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll have around 165 kilometers of range left on the bike's fuel. The whole distance is going to be around 575 kilometers once I hit the highway. The route is as usual from my when I start in Hyderabad. I'll be going to Shamshabad, that is the Hyderabad airport. From there, we'll be going to Sadnagar. From Sadnagar, we'll be reaching. I forgot that place's name, man. Yeah, after Sadnagar, the major town is Kurnool. After Kurnool, we have Anantapur. After Anantapur, we hit Bagepalli, which is the border between Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So, Kurnool is the border between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. We're going to cross two states in this ride. That's pretty much it. Cut short on the video. And I've heard from others also that watching the roads for such long is also kind of boring, so I'll just put in only like parts of it and not make the video boring. I'm gonna try to cut down my videos and make it to like under 15 minutes if possible. And if there's good content, then the video might go longer. Let's see. I'll meet you once I'm on the highway. So the time is around 2:30 and we are reaching closer to the highway. I hope I'm recording. Yes, I am. Nice. This is the Himayat Sagar Lake. The road is a little sketchy, man. It's like a small ghat section. I wouldn't call it ghat, but then a twisty, windy road. People drive like fools around here. There's a very, very huge water body supplying major amounts of water to Hyderabad. As we can see, Once we hit the highway, I remembered that place is called Jadcherla. So after Sadnagar, we hit Jadcherla. From Jadcherla, we hit Kurnool. From Kurnool, we hit Anantapur. From Anantapur, we hit Bangalore. The time is around 2. Google says I'll reach there by 11:30 in the night. Let's see. Google calculates it as only driving. But then what I feel is me stopping for lunch, short breaks, water breaks, all of this together also, I'll be reaching Bangalore by around 11:30, 12ish. Let's see. And by the way, I wouldn't suggest for anyone to cover such distances and such times. I mean, do it peacefully, do it at your own capacity. The point is, like, I've been riding for a while now, so I can sit up and ride for 200 kilometers straight without a break. But someone who's new to riding will have to take short breaks. If his, I mean, he'll hit a mental fatigue very quickly. Like, physically, he might be much fitter than me. But then there's also this mental fatigue when you drive. I mean, when you ride. So, for that, you need experience. The more amount of rides you do, slowly you get it. Because the first time when I went to Bangalore, I took breaks every 50 kilometers. And it took me almost 11 to 12 hours to drive to Bangalore. Ride to Bangalore from here. But now, my third or fourth ride, I didn't shoot at that point. I almost did a speed run, so I left it around 3 in the morning, 3 or 2 is in the morning, and then I reached Bangalore by like at around 9:30 a.m. or 10 a.m. kind of. Yeah. So that was one very quick ride that I did, but I wouldn't suggest anyone to do it like that. That was only once I did it, as I wanted to enjoy my bike. But now I just do a decent, smooth, slow, happy sailing ride. By the way, I'll be wearing my gloves once I hit the highway, or mostly I don't know. It's very hot now, so once the cold starts kicking in, I'll start wearing my gloves. We're pretty much here near the highway. Once we hit the highway, I'll just shoot once we are having something good to shoot. So we have hit the highway. And now, like I mentioned, Jadcherla, the town is around 40 kilometers from here. Kurnool is another 170 kilometers from here. It almost took me close to 1 hour to reach the highway. I left at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and then I hit the highway by like around 2:50. I hope I'm not capturing a lot of wind noise, so I don't know how this new position of the mic is going to do. It shouldn't be too fluttering of a sound. Let's see. I'll just fill my tank up over here so that I don't have to take many more breaks for fuel. Let's get ourselves fueled. మన పెట్రోల్ ఉందా ఫుల్ ట్యాంక్ చేసేయండి నార్మల్ పేటిఎం ఉంది కదా ఫోన్పే So I've got my fueled up. So yeah, I got a range of 343 kilometers right now, but this is gonna drop very soon, and I'm gonna start slightly ripping open the bike. Let's go. So as you can see, these highways are fun. If there's anyone new to riding, this is a very good highway to start on. It's beginner friendly, and it's pretty much doable with decent amount of brakes. You can peacefully ride and do it happily. Like the previous ride when I went to Visakhapatnam, that ride was slightly taxing albeit slightly longer, the highways are much more monotonous and slightly more faster and dangerous. This is a decent highway. You can maintain an average speed of 80 to 90 kilometers and then peacefully drive. After a certain point, I'll be stopping for a small break to get myself a cool drink or something. I'm feeling very thirsty. So yeah, I'll see you when I stop there. Let's go. So I've completed around I think 100 odd kilometers from Hyderabad, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I've stopped here on a highway nest for a quick water break. Then I'll be going mostly and stopping again in Kurnool. I thought this place will be open, but then it usually was open, but then now it's closed. I usually drink a cold drink over here whenever I drive. But yeah, now I'll push to Kurnool and then just take a drink over there. For now, I'll just adjust with water. So I'll see you once we are in Kurnool. So right now we're crossing the river Krishna. It's the same river Krishna we are crossing right now that we have crossed the other day on the Visakhapatnam road. But over there the water is a lot bigger. I mean, there's a more number, I don't know what to say, more cusecs of water in that river than over here, because the river is, there's a barrage near Vijayawada. The other day when we went on that ride near Vijayawada, if you have seen that video, there's a barrage. It holds most of the water there for irrigation purposes, and then there's very little water that comes towards the downstream. But they do have a canal system that brings required irrigation water for the downstream towns like Kurnool and stuff. So yeah, I don't know, right time to turn on the camera or not. The highway is pretty boring for me to shoot anything. I don't know how I will get content out of this. But then yeah, there's a lot of traffic today on the highway. So let's see what is going to happen. This place looks amazing. I just wanted some golden hour shots. Retake cut here. This place looks amazing. I just want to take some cool golden hour shots. Nice ride. I don't know how the mic is doing because I just checked the footage. The audio is very bad. So I'm just trying out a new setting on the camera for the mic. I don't know how this is gonna be. Or I'll have to. I don't know, man. Investing on a new mic right now is a little bit of a budget constraint for me. I don't know, I'll just see. I'll have to work my way around this, or I'll have to put the voice, post the ride. But the problem is, what I feel is, when I'm riding and I don't talk like this, and then talk something after the video is done, it's gonna be much different. The vibe is gonna change. So I don't know what to do. So I'm just checking out this also as a footage of how it's gonna perform. My speed is also pretty high. So I don't know if this camera is gonna, I mean the camera is performing amazingly. It's just the issue with the microphone. So let's see if there's gonna be another clip with a different type of audio. I don't know, I'm just hoping it's on foot. Let's see, I have nothing in my control right now. The thing is, I want to be devoted to the channel and post one video every weekend. I just want to check my footage right now here. I have a small labor out here. I'll just stop over here and just check the footage once. Wow. Like a small canal. Wow, dude. Let me just check the footage. So I stopped somewhere in the middle of the highway. There's the bike. Just came for a quick coffee break. I'll be stopping again in Anantapur for my dinner. So I'll be stopping in Anantapur again for my dinner. Like I said, I should be reaching Anantapur by 8. Let's see how it goes. Nothing much to shoot. The highway is pretty dark, so I don't know what to do. Now I've stopped on the highway for dinner. The time is around 8 and I sharply reached Anantapur by 8. So got myself some dosa. Yes, I'm eating 2 because I'm hungry and I've been riding for the last... So I started at 2, right? So 8 at Anantapur and I'm expecting to reach Bangalore by like 11:30 maybe. Let's see. Like I said, it's all dark and nothing to show on the highway. Let me taste this. It's good, man. I can eat dosas the whole year. Nothing is gonna happen. So yeah, catch up with you once we reach Bangalore. So right now we are near the Kia plant Anantapur. There's the baby. So we'll be reaching home in some time. I mean another 1.5 hour or so from here. So mostly I'll be reaching home by 11:30ish. So here at the Kia plant, Anantapur, and in between Anantapur and Penukonda, and it's huge. Nice. Let's see you once I reach home. Like, share and subscribe also. Don't forget that. I told you in the starting of the video, I need subscribers so that, it'll just help me. Thank you. This is the next day. I've reached home at like around 11:30 p.m. The ride went on very well. So that's it for this video. We'll have another video coming next Sunday. That is of me coming back to Hyderabad from Bangalore. So please do like, share and subscribe. I'll do something about the audio. Let's sort it out together.